am inside it, as you can see, where we can still see what remains of the structure that once was, and which was consumed by the fire. Until today, we hadn't been able to get to this point high up in the tower, so we can assess in a much better way the damage that occurred. This big structure is not usable in the future, so it will probably be demolished at some point in the future. So our work continues, and this has been one of the most important aspects of my visit to the station today. We will be analyzing, assessing what we saw today until the conflict is over, or it enters a phase where there is no more active military activity. I think the possibility of something serious cannot be excluded.